Hello everyone, in today's video I am going to share with you one easy and interesting DIY project, mini succulent garden. Also you can call it mini desert garden or mini zen garden, and tips and tricks to keep your miniature garden healthy and flourishing. Miniature garden is interesting way to display several plants together, arranging like miniature landscape. I really love making this kind of garden setup. I really enjoy while making them. And this is my second video on miniature garden. First video I have shared with you couple of months before at the time of Valentine's Day, where I have shared Valentine's Day special theme. This mini succulent garden especially for those who don't remember to water your plant and don't have more time. Succulents always amaze me, not only because of their elegant beauty but also their ability to thrive in hardy less water condition. They are available in wide range of size, shape, texture, and surprisingly they are less demanding. Succulents mini garden is perfect for showing off a collection of prickly but your pretty plants. First step, select a deep plate or shallow container. It should be at least 4 to 5 inches deep. This is I think 6-inch deep ceramic container. You can choose any type of material, plastic, terracotta or ceramic. I personally love ceramic for such kind of garden setup. The look and feel is, you can see, absolutely unique. As succulents don't have deep root system and they grow very slowly, so it works best for them. First block the drainage hole with pebble or any stones and then add layer of gravels or pebbles, any stones. This will help with drainage so your succulent roots won't sit in too much moisture. Second step, add good quality succulent potting mix. This type of mix is sandy and quick draining, which is what this plant prefers. If you use normal garden soil, then it could be a problematic for them. You can buy it from Amazon. I will try to put a link in the description box. Air circulation and drainage is very important for succulents, and mix some amount of compost to your potting mix for the nutrient supply. I have this old shallow terracotta pot which I am going to use here. For what purpose, that I will let you know at the end of the garden arrangement. Before handling your cactus succulents, you can put on gardening hand gloves to keep your fingers safe from any sharp spines. As I am not wearing because I am not using many cactus here, now you can add your plants. I am starting with the largest succulent with jade plant. I am using this plant to imitate a small tree. I would suggest one thing here, when you are arranging any mini garden, always start with big plant so you will get the idea for remaining plants and other garden ornaments. I have one thing for this garden. It will be like desert landscape garden or garden for meditation, kind of zen garden. So I am not using many plants here, only a few plants and pebbles. I am arranging all succulents in a symmetrical form for more natural look. When you are making such kind of mini succulent garden, one thing you have to keep in mind is that always check that bases of the succulents are set a half-inch lower than the lip of the container, and keep some space for watering on the top of the container. To finish off the succulent garden, I am adding a thin layer of decorative pebbles and coarse sand over the potting soil, also couple of rocks to mimic a desert landscape. As the focal point, I am placing this cute little monk statue on the stone. Now last part, water in this terracotta bowl to give look of natural pond with some stone in it. And also I am going to add my favorite plumerias from my balcony garden, and these plumeria flowers will stay at least fresh for 2 days because of water. And my mini Zen garden is ready with attractive succulents, natural pond and beautiful plumeria with sweet fragrance. And this terracotta bowl also can be used to light a candle during the night time. This rosette type echeveria looks similar to flowers, but it lives much more longer and require much less care. About its care tips, as we have placed all succulent type of plants, so no need to worry as they don't require too much care. Only you have to think about sunlight and water requirement, as they grow best in indirect bright sunlight. So place your succulent garden near a sunny south facing window. You can keep your garden tray in morning sunlight for few hours once a week. They really enjoy morning sun. About watering, succulents need very less water because they are from desert area. They thrive on natural available water and which they store in their soft leaves. If you water them once in 10 to 15 days, they will be fine with that. If you notice your succulents start losing their green color and becoming soft, that's the sign you are watering them more and they need more light, so help them accordingly. About fertilizer, you can mix little compost in soil mix at the time of planting, or you can feed them with liquid fertilizer once in a month. I hope you like such kind of DIY projects. Do let me know in comment section. And for interesting plant images and plant care garden tips, do follow us on Instagram. My handle is gardenvibes14. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, happy gardening.